Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Today we are taking the exercise number 4.3. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variable. Here are the four part. So I am doing only first part and fourth part. You will do at home these two parts. So x plus y is equal to 4. So first of all we will interchange y, that here is a plus, then after equal to that is minus, right? Next we will convert, we will draw the box here for two solution of this equation x, y. So y value will place 1, 2. So that will be x is equal to 4 minus 1. So that is equal to 3, right? Now x is equal to 4 minus 2, this value, okay? That will be 2. Now the graph. You will use a graph paper. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, right? No need to write the minus values because minus is not here. Next, see the x 3, 1, 2, 3 and y 1. So that will be this point. And then x is 2, y is also 2. So that. And draw a line passing from both point. Next, fourth part, here also we will do like this. 3 minus 2x is equal to y. Now y we have separate here. We have done the separate here because y is single. Now box. X, y. Now x value we will place here like this. 0, 1, any value you can place here. So 3 minus 2 multiplies 0 is equal to y. So that y is equal to 3. 2 zeros are 0. So that is, sorry, we are placing here x value 0, 1. So that is 3. Now 1. So 3 minus 2 into 1 is equal to y. So 3 minus 2 is equal to y. So y is equal to 1. Right? Now draw the graph. X, x dash, y, y dash. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Here also we will write the x-axis, y-axis, that's a y, y dash. Now 0 and 3, it means this point, and then 1, 1, it means this point, and draw the line from both point is passing. Next question. Given the equation of the two lines passing through 2, 14, how many more such lines are there, right, and why? So that first of all, first equation that will be 14x minus 2y is equal to 0. So 2 can take the common. So that 7x minus y is equal to 0. So this has gone interchange here. So that will be left x minus y is equal to 0. Second equation, x plus y is equal to 2 plus 14. So x plus y is equal to 16. How many more such lines are there? How many lines? Infinite. infinitely more. Infinity means many more lines, because you know that if you are placing the any more values, then our equations will become more. If the point 3, question number 3, if the point 3, 4 lie on the graph of equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of x. Very important question. That equation is 3y is equal to ax plus 7. So this is the x, this is the y. 3 into 4 is equal to a multiply 3 plus 7. 3 4 are 12 and then minus 7 by interchange. 3a. Then after 12 less 7, 5 is equal to 3a. So 5 upon 3 is equal to a. It means a is equal to 5 upon 3. Answer. Right. Now question number 4. It's a very lengthy question. So I am not writing here, I am reading. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per km, taking the distance covered as x km and total fare as rupees y. Write a linear equation for the information and draw the graph also. So let is given here. Let distance is equal to, let distance is equal to x and fare is equal to y, right? So according to question, fare is equal to distance, that distance multiply per kilometer charge per km fare, right? Fare is y, distance multiply, that's how many kilometers is going, that x kilometer, x multiply 5 rupees per kilometer charge is there. But you know that first kilometer is taking the 8 rupees, but 5 rupees we have taken already here, 5 rupees we have taken already here, so that will be minus 5. So y is equal to 5x plus 3. Y is equal to 5x plus 3. Also this one we can write like this also, 5x minus, that is interchange, y plus 3 is equal to 0. And then graph also. So for graph we will draw the box like this, that okay, x, y. So x value we place here 0, 1. Any value you can place. Y is equal to 5 multiplies 0 plus 3. So y is equal to 3. Right? Like this. Y is equal to 5 multiply 1 plus 3. So y is equal to 5 1 5 plus 3, 8. 8. Now graph. Y axis, x axis, 1 2 3 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So x is 0 and y is 3, so that x is 1, y is 8, that 8, and draw a line passing from both point. Here we will write 0.3. Here we will write 1.8. Right? Question number 4 is optional. So question number 6. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variable and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 unit. Also read the graph, the work done when the distance travelled by the body is. So that distance, so let distance is equal to, let distance is equal to x and work done is equal to y. So 5 unit, so that will be work done is equal to unit multiply 5, or you can write work done is equal to, you can write like this here, work done is equal to unit multiply distance. Work done is y, or that will be unit 5 and then x. Now graph. X, y. X value we will write 1, 0, 0, 1. So y is equal to 5 into 0, so y is equal to 0. Now y is equal to 5 into 1, that one 5. Now graph. X axis, y axis, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now first is 0, 0, so that 0, 0. Second is 1, 5, 1 and then 5, and the line passing from here, that is 1, 5, this is the 0, 0, right? And then first part by 2 unit, that by 2 unit, so y is equal to 5x is there, so y is equal to 5 into 2, y is equal to 10. Second part, first part 2 unit, second part 0 unit, so that y is equal to 5x, y is equal to 5 into 0, so y is equal to 0. This is the answer, this is it. Now 7th question. Yamini and Fatima, 2 students of a class 9th of a school, together contributed ₹100 toward the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. You may take their contribution as ₹x and ₹y. Draw the graph of the same. You know that I am not writing here questions because you know that questions is very lengthy. So solution, let Yamini contribute. Yamini contributed is equal to ₹x, and Fatima contributed is equal to ₹y. So according to condition or question, condition means C, question means Q. So x plus y, both are contributing together rupees 100. This is the equation. For graph, we will draw box x, y, that x is equal to 100 minus y. So y value we will write here 40, 50. You can write any value, but if we are placing the 40, 50, then x value also will be near of these values. So x is equal to 100 minus 40, that is 60. X is equal to 100 minus 50, that is 50. You know that? You are looking both values are the same, or you can write one more value here, 60. So x is equal to 100 minus 60, that value is 40. Right? Now, graph. X-axis, Y-axis, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Because maximum is 60. So first is 60, 40. 60 and then 40. Next 50, 50. That 50, 50. 40, 60. You know that? These, draw a line passing through these 3 points. That is 60, 40. This is 50, 50. This is 40, 60. Right? Question number 8. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit because their temperature is very low. Whether in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converted Fahrenheit to Celsius. Is given that F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. So that first part, draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for X and Fahrenheit for Y. So first part, solution, that F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. This is the given equation in question. So we will draw the box. That will be F C. Now we will place the C 0 and 5. 0 and 5 because 5 cancel by 5. So F is equal to 9 upon 5 multiply 0 plus 32, that F is equal to 32. 9 upon 5 multiply 0 means 0. So that will be 32. Now F is equal to 9 upon 5 multiply 5 plus 32, 5 cancel by 5. So 9, 32, 41. That is 41. So we have written here 5 because cancel by 5. Now the graph. That will be x-axis, or we can write here F, y-axis, right, 0 on F means x-axis, C means y-axis. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here we can write the table of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now this is the f axis, f, or this is the c. Okay, so c is 0, f is 32. 32 means that will be here, just on 30. 5 and 41, 5 and 41, just on the 40. Okay, this is the passing from both point, that is 0, 32 and then 5, 41. Okay, now the second part we will see here. Second part, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Temperature. So first of all we will write the equation. F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. So that F is equal to 9 upon 5 into 30, because Celsius is 30 degree given here, 32. 5 6 ja, 9 6 ja 54 plus 32, that is 686. Write it. Third part, is if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? Next, this one. So similarly we will write the equation 32. So that is 95 is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. So 95 minus 32 is equal to 9 upon 5 C, subtract 3, 9, 5 less, 9 less 6, multiply 5 upon 9 by the interchange of this C. So Celsius is equal to 7 5 ja 35. Answer. And then fourth part, that fourth part is if the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, 0 degree Celsius. So 0 degree means, first of all write the equation 9 upon 5 C plus 32. So F is equal to that 9 upon 5 into 0 plus 32. So 9 upon 5 0 is 0, so F is equal to 32. Answer. And then again write the equation 32. It means now F is given 0. So that 9 upon 5 C is equal to 32. See here now. Sorry, plus. So minus 32 is equal to 9 upon 5 C by the interchange. 32 into 5 upon 9 is equal to C. So C is equal to minus 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 15, 16 on 9. That is the answer. Fifth part, is there a temperature which is numerically the same in the both Fahrenheit and Celsius? Yes. That is fifth part. Yes. First of all write the equation. Now we are placing the same value. It means on the place of C we will write the F, or you can write the place of F you can write the C. Both will make the answer right. So F minus 9/5 f is equal to 32. So subtraction of that will be 5 is a LCM, 5f minus 9f is equal to 32. So minus 4/5 f is equal to 32. So f is equal to 32 multiply 5 upon minus 4, 4 8 ja. So that f is equal to minus 8 5 ja 40. 8 5 ja 40. That is a answer. If you will be placed here C, then answer will be also come same minus 40 degree. Okay.